Goodbye, goodbye. Siyahamba manje.
Siyahamba manje.
Bakishiwe ikhwama. But we will be back.
Later. It's later.
It's not a goodbye, it's a...
We'll see you later.
With our... Ish! Zin! Hey, the pastors are taking over all the billboards.
Yeah. All the prime spots.
All the prime spots about churches. But I would never go to church here until they resurrect somebody. Yeah. Oh, Pascuato. Now.
We are Kwacha rich. We are this Kwacha rich.
Did you guys know that Kwachas are stronger than Wrens?
We do.
Wait, are you serious?
Kwachas are stronger than Wrens.
I'll show you. In texture or in currency?
In currency value, Kwachas are stronger than Rand, not in texture. Currency value.
Which is stronger than a rain?
Yeah, Kwachas
Yeah,
are
that's next door.
much stronger.
Honey, it is so sad that you have to leave. All my life, I've never met someone that I could not catch me. So sad.
The biggest in the airport, everybody.
It's okay.
Oh, going to back to your passport tonight.
Please don't miss me too much. Please, only miss me a little bit. Hey!
To get into the plane.
Yeah.
I'd rather sit.
And so now we were so stupid. We went to that F&B one, and we forgot to go to this one. You can come here.
It's here, their business lounge.
We just wasted 2 passes.
So the thing is, their business lounge is
Oh, we were there 10 minutes ago.
and then the flight. Oh no, the business lounge is behind.
It's so small, you can see everyone. Maybe we went to Kama. We would have seen you.
Oh, exactly.
Our flight is here. That's that's our flights and people getting off. At least we still have a few minutes while they refuel and clean the flights. Hey, there are a lot of people who come to Zambia. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the transmission.
So, do I wait for her just for a little bit? Okay, thank you.
Next time.
Our boarding closed.
Oh, I see some shade though. This is her. Very irresponsible. You are gonna have to buy me a new ticket, buy yourself a new ticket, book me a hotel room. You must be very grateful to the team here. Now the whole flight is waiting for you, like you are the president's daughter. Thank you so much, guys. Nzotin Pel, what can I say? Hi.
Hi, how are you, ma'am?
Good, thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Yo, when you travel with the wrong people, this is what happens. Take your backpack. And I'm trying to call you, I'm like, it has to be in your bag because you're writing the regional officer's number on your ticket. Yeah. Which means you didn't even look. Yo, these people, I shame. Hey guys, so sorry. Tell her the flight is closed. Don't allow her because she made me late. Hi. Ah, thank you.
Thank you. On your ride, enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah, I had your whole thing and Chris is telling my language, I'm like, I've only possibly posted yesterday.
Please do that. She's the one who delayed us.
Thank you. Oh my. You almost gave me a
Someone. Happy. Yes. This colleague of mine thought she lost her passport in the lounge. It was in her bag. The whole time we are all over the airport looking for it, and it was in her bag. Yeah, we made it. Are you happy now that you got the flight? After all your delaying you did? Cheers. To Zambia.
So moving to Zambia.
Yes, we are moving to Zambia.
Cheers to that. Cheers to that, madam.
Cheers to moving to Zambia.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, I miss Zambia already.
220 kilometres to the north of Johannesburg. We're going to be starting a descent for Tampa International in the next 6 or 7 minutes.
Look at this one. Her future is too bright. She has to wear shades. People with a bright future. Yeah, we're just happy they arrived. Yes, we have touched down South Africa. We are home already, but you know what? We're going back. We'll be back sooner than you think. This is just the beginning. We are officially home. How does it feel to be back home?
It feels great.
Officially home.
Officially, finally.
I need to go to the toilet.
Me too.
Because as much as I didn't say it, this was one of the scariest flights because just before we flew, we found out that there was a flight that crashed.
Yes, Ethiopian Airlines. So
Yeah.
yeah, it was not an easy flight.
Yeah, another regional flight.
Yep.
So we are just glad we made it home.
Yep.
So, guys, would it be so wrong to just go and hug one of these people who's coming here to pick up people they do not know? Let me just say, hey, I'm Dr. Lekole, it's me. Let's go. Wabanje umpukane bandla ngisathi ngithola free lift. I give up. I tried. I tried to get a free lift. Looks like this is the only free lift I was meant for.